Hello makers, it's mail time. So boxes have started coming in for the mural project and I'm extremely excited. I'm also very worried because during the time that I did the video of the mural, I kind of hinted at, you know, I don't mind candy. But when you have a package that weighs over 1 kilo, and I know that the part doesn't weigh more than about 80 grams, it's, I'm going to become fatter.
Get in my belly!
So this is the first haul that I got from the post office yesterday. First 5 packages. A couple of things that I want to point out. For those of you who are sending packages via courier, FedEx, TNT, DHL, please email me and let me know the tracking number. The reason being is that PO boxes and courier service in Malta don't play well together, so I need to have a notification of an incoming courier delivery so I can tell them to bring them home rather than the PO box. So ideally, if you're going to ship something, send it by normal post, don't worry about it. I have also ordered some limited edition 3DMN mural stickers to send back to these awesome people that are helping me out with these mural. And I've also ordered some standard stickers, so for any of you who would ever want to send something, get a shout out on the channel, well, I've always left the PO box address down in the video description. But seeing as this is the first time ever I'm unboxing mail on the channel, I'm actually quite excited. So let's get on with it. Also, apologies if there's like some wind noise coming. There's a fan in front of me. It's really hot in here. So yeah, I'm gonna get to it. Start off with the little one. This is from Tomasz Madroskiewicz, I think. It's from Hungary. And we have, ooh, I'm gonna open the candy first. So we have, this looks like gum, I think. They're gum. There's like krofka. I don't know exactly, oh, this is gonna be, this is delicious. Ooh, we have some chocolate. I'm excited. And we have the first part number 2. This is awesome. Really nicely printed. This is the first part. This is so cool. I'm so happy that this is coming together. Oh, there's a note. Almost missed the note. Hey Joe, find a closed part 2. Thanks for letting me contribute. Since I was born in Poland, yay Polska. You will find a krofka and I am living in Hungary, so some Hungarian treats. Good luck with the project. Best wishes to you and your family. Thomas. Thank you very much, buddy. Next is from, doesn't say who it's from, but it says it's from Suomi, Finland. Okay, we have, oh, I'm guessing these are like some really sour sweets, which my wife is gonna absolutely love. Oh, this is awesome. Some more sour stuff. Yeah, this is a package for my wife, it's not for me. We have the printed parts. So these are printed in Devil Design PLA Red. One is on the CR10 and one is on the Anycubic i3. And this is part number 74. Same part, so I can just choose which I prefer. Actually, they almost look identical. CR10S looks slightly cleaner on layers, but epic job. Thank you very much, dude. Oh, there's something else. There's, oh, self-addressed envelope. Yes. Don't forget to send me self-addressed envelopes so I can send you back a sticker and more chocolates. Thank you. So this is from Manu Ambat. Thank you very much, Manu. And also thank you for the awesome box of chocolates. Sticker will be on its way as soon as they're done. Next one from UK. Where do I start? So this is from Timothy Betts in the UK. Hi Joe, just a quick note to say thank you for all that you do and have done for the 3D printing community. I was following along with your ANET A8 guides and have been hooked since. Incidentally, I hold both yourself and Tom Sanlander, see, I said it right, jointly responsible for all the time and money that's gone into my 3D printing obsession. And I again thank you for the experience. Right now I keep myself happy babysitting my Prushas while I tinker away with a couple of large format Gearbest specials. My Alphawise U10 was DOA, ouch, major tinkering. Anyway, hopefully the printer mural part reached you with all its pointy bits intact. I went with Prusa packaging since I still have so much to get rid of, along with the mandatory Haribo. All the best, Timothy Betts. So I have the self-addressed envelope. We have the mandatory Haribos, some more mandatory Haribos, and we have the parts. Oh, this is a gorgeous color. This is a really gorgeous color, and this is exactly what I'm looking for. I'm looking for different colors, so when you put them together, there you go. So you can like different shades all together. This is gonna be absolutely epic. Thank you very much, Timothy. This is from UK as well. We have massive letter. Self-addressed envelope. You sent me one extra by mistake. So M Hawks. Let's see who M Hawks is. Martin Hawks. Hi Joe, thanks for allowing me to contribute to your mural. I'm very new to 3D printing, 1 month in. Wow, very green. So I hope my print will be okay. If not, feel free to file in the bin. As if, man. It was printed in the white filament which came with Microreality CR10 S4. I would like to thank you for all that you're doing for 3D printing community. I find your work on YouTube to be very informative and thorough, especially your reviews on printers and the amount of prints you will do before placing the full review. So Martin actually has quite a lot of experience in murals. In fact, apparently he's done some work on hexagon murals with wood. That looks epic. Oak blocks, which took me over 3 weeks to machine on my CNC. Ouch. That is awesome. So I have included my first attempts at a maker coin. Awesome. Let's go check the maker coins. So, ooh, wine gums, jelly babies, tea cakes. I haven't had tea cakes in years. Oh my God, I'm gonna become so fat. Ooh, salted caramel fudge. Oh, thank you very much, man. Thank you so much. Get this out of the way. Let's see the parts. I love how they're vacuum packed. Very well done. We have the part. This looks epic. Part number 101. This looks really cool. I cannot wait to have this together. This is so awesome. Thank you very much, Martin. As for the maker coin, ooh, and a keychain. Actually looks like a really nice keychain. I'm gonna be using that. Brithawks or Brithawks? Let me know. Maker coin, this is awesome. Thank you very much, Martin. Last but not least, we have Dimitris from Latvia. Wow, so we have Hungary, Finland, Latvia, and UK. Awesome. Oh dear God. Self-addressed envelope, well done. Hey Joe, Dimitri here. Trust me, it's easier this way, despite what the return address on the packaging might say. And I shall start by saying that you, sir, are a great influence. Thank you very much. As often happens with all of us, I was stumbling around the bottomless pit of YouTube where I came across something that piqued my interest. One of your early videos reviewing the Rigiding Red PETG and the models you are showcasing, which I found absolutely gorgeous. I followed along your journey with every rational video of yourself, murmuring things honest and straight to the point, to find myself eager to jump on board too. So now Dimitri is the owner of a Mark IIs, a Mark III, and a trusty Malian machine modified to bits. He's also into airbrushing. I will be doing airbrushing videos as soon as they switch on the lift. Yes, I'm still without a lift here because I do have a couple of airbrushes downstairs. I have a spray booth, so I'll definitely be getting into that. Please accept this small care package from a country in the Baltics, Latvia. While packing this, I've realized this literally everything I got is from the same make, the oldest confectionery from Lima. The mural part is printed in dust filaments translucent red. Okay, let's have, oh my God. This is way too much, Dimitri. This is like way too much, man. Oh man. I'm salivating. I feel like Casey Neistat at the moment opening candy. This is awesome. Thank you so much, Dimitri. And the parts. Part number 46 there as well. So that is it. That is cool. So thank you guys for sending me these. I will ship stickers as soon as they're here. This is going to be epic. I will be doing this, well, you've seen the title, Mail Day Wednesday. Kind of rhymes, kind of fits, so we'll probably leave this for every Wednesday. I'm sure there will be more boxes to pick up by next week. So in the meantime, that is it for today. Thank you very much for your contribution. If you want to send anything to the channel, links in the video description. Address in the video description. I also opened a very small merch shop for t-shirts. I will be expanding the range as I go along, but for now it's gonna have to work like that until I receive a sample of the shirt that I made, because I ordered one myself because, you know, I want to see what the quality is like. But if you're interested, links are in the video description. In the meantime, once again, thanks for watching. Like, share, subscribe, and as always, happy making, guys.